Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to tighten the chain on a crf230. We'll get a stopwatch going here just so I can show you guys how long it actually takes. Okay, first thing we're going to need is a 15/16 socket on a 1/2" drive ratchet and a crescent wrench, or I think it's like a 17mm or a 19mm on the other side. Okay, first thing you're going to do is loosen the nut on this axle bolt. I just grabbed the crescent wrench to hold this. Just loosen that up a little bit. And then the way they have this set up on this bike is really easy. To tighten the chain, all you got to do is, you can see numbers there. You just got to flip them like that up to the next number. And then just go the same amount on each side. Sometimes, they'll get stuck and you won't be able to move them. You just grab a hammer. I like to use brass hammers or a neoprene hammer. That way you don't scar everything up. So 34, still too much play. 35, 35. I think there's supposed to be like an inch of play. 36. And we might go one more here. Okay, I think that's probably about good here. So then you just tighten this bolt back up. Now I normally use a breaker bar so I can torque it down really well, but I can't find my breaker bar, so that's going to have to do. And as you can see, a little over 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.